Victory! Still pretty decent. Got him.
Nice. Oh, they netted something back there.
There you go.
Fun when you actually get in. Looks like a largemouth, no?
Looks like a largemouth. Ho, 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 ho. Fun with treble hooks.
I'll be like, I went fishing today. I went to Safeway.
Yeah.
Bought me a salmon. Hey, what's going on? It's Matt. I'm out here with Justin. Justin just got back from Colombia working as a drug mule. No? That's kind of fun. All right, so we're out on the California Delta. We are fishing initially for stripers. You'll see some footage of that. But now we are going to fish and kind of work the tide. So, let's see if we can't get on some fish.
That's the best fish I've caught on the Delta in a while. That's sad. Yeah, he didn't even. There you go. There's the first largemouth. Interesting. Snack proof. Or.
Well, I thought they were confused by the Bass Fest.
Oh.
Because BBT runs like the Ultimate Frog deal.
That's a fish.
Nice.
I don't know if it's the freaking cold weather or what, but these guys have been absolutely just like super like jumpy.
I read guys were saying something about, yeah, it sucked.
See you later.
Oh!
Get him.
Put a bunch of 18-year-old kids on it, started posting all their videos and just making money off of them.
Adoption, he has to go through like all of the weird shit that they put him through. And she said also you have to you'll have to pay for like the cast removal and that gets changed every week and blah blah blah. And I was like, how much is that? And
no, what's his story? Why did he have the cast and the job?
Well, so
fighting dog?
No. So no, something's still on it.
Is he still fighting back?
Yep.
Nope, he saw you under there. In that grass?
Yep. Yep, there's something on there. Victory!
Celebrate the small things.
Victory! Yeah, I thought he was gonna be big. That was worth it.
No, it is totally worth it.
It's totally worth it.
Justification, man, when you get him in the boat.
I'm like...
I'm not hung up. There's a fish on there.
Well, I thought I was, and then all of a sudden it would go tap, tap, tap. And I'm like, no, there's something on there.
Oh, you've all been in boats with somebody who's like, yeah, I got a big one, and then you know they're hooked into the bottom of a
Yeah.
bridge or something.
So, anyway, back to the story about the dog.
We are in the nursery.
This guy at least hasn't been caught before. They're so fast. So you're obviously not going to see that catch on camera. Got him good. But it's probably the best bass of the day. Caught him on a drop shot. Got some blood. Just got him, I guess. Got him on the side. Thanks, buddy. Well, here's the situation with... Whoa, that was Ariel. That was pretty cool. Wow, we're catching fish.
On a jig.
Dude, I had to turn the camera off before you caught that. Watch out, he's got treble hooks. Justin's on fire! Doesn't matter.
No, but they're way up in the...
They're in the shallows.
Like that one came... Is it just a fish? Or is he just in the tulies again? He's just in the tulies.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah, they are.
Whoa.
Striper on the jig.
God. What the? Whoa, 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 whoa.
See a fish?
Dude, yeah. You see that? Oh, it's a fucking otter. That's what bit my Cinco probably.
So it's about 2 o'clock right now. We're gonna get off the water. I want to thank Justin again for heading out on the California Delta. We caught a bunch of numbers, but no size. Kind of the story of my trips to the Delta recently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you probably sometime this week. Bye.